Ever tried the honey and garlic superfood combo? Is it really better than antibiotics? Stay tuned as we explore the benefits of honey and garlic. Honey and garlic, two of nature's most potent ingredients, have been touted as a superfood combo that can revolutionize our health. But is it really worth the hype? In this video, we're going to dive into the individual and combined benefits of honey and garlic and explore how they can be used to address some of the most common health issues faced by people today. From ancient civilizations to modern times, honey and garlic have been used for their medicinal and culinary properties. But what is it about this combo that makes it so special? Let's take a closer look. As we explore the benefits of honey and garlic, I want to ask you, have you ever tried using them together in a recipe or as a natural remedy? Share your experiences with me in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Today's modern world is riddled with health issues that seem to be on the rise. Chronic diseases, digestive problems, and weakened immune systems are just a few of the challenges we face on a daily basis. But what if I told you that nature has a solution for these problems and it's been right under our noses all along? We live in a world where synthetic medications and treatments are often the go-to solution for our health problems. But what if we told you that there's a better way? A way that harnesses the power of nature to heal and nurture our bodies. The truth is, many of us are tired of relying on pharmaceuticals and are turning to natural remedies for answers. And that's where honey and garlic come in. Two ingredients that have been used for centuries to promote health and well-being. In fact, the ancient Greeks and Romans used honey to treat wounds and soothe digestive issues, while the Egyptians used garlic to combat heart disease and reduce cholesterol levels. And yet, despite their rich history, many of us still don't know the full extent of their benefits. Honey, for instance, is more than just a sweetener. It's a natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent that can be used to treat a range of health issues. And garlic, well, it's a powerful antioxidant that's been shown to reduce blood pressure, combat cancer, and even reduce the risk of heart disease. So, what happens when you combine these two potent ingredients? Can they really live up to the hype and provide a boost to our health? To understand the science behind honey and garlic, let's take a closer look at their nutritional properties. Honey is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help to soothe digestive issues, boost energy levels, and even support weight loss. Garlic, on the other hand, is a rich source of vitamins C and B6, as well as minerals like manganese and potassium. It's also a powerful antioxidant that can help to combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. But it's not just about the individual benefits of honey and garlic. It's about how they work together to create a synergistic effect that's greater than the sum of its parts. Studies have shown that when honey and garlic are combined, they can create a powerful antibacterial agent that can combat even the toughest of infections. And in traditional medicine, the combo has been used to treat everything from colds and flu to respiratory issues and digestive problems. But what really gets me excited is the personal testimony of people who have incorporated honey and garlic into their daily routine. From improved energy levels and reduced inflammation to enhanced cognitive function and immune system support, the benefits of this superfood combo are undeniable. One of the most compelling stories I came across was from a woman who suffered from chronic digestive issues. She started incorporating honey and garlic into her diet, and within weeks, she noticed a significant reduction in symptoms. She was able to reduce her medication and even started to enjoy foods that she previously couldn't tolerate. Stories like these are a testament to the transformative power of honey and garlic, and it's what inspires others to try this superfood combo. So, what have we learned today? We've explored the individual and combined benefits of honey and garlic, and we've seen the compelling evidence that supports their efficacy. Honey and garlic are more than just a natural remedy. They're a powerful superfood combo that can be used to address some of the most common health issues faced by people today. Don't forget to share your own experiences with honey and garlic in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on natural remedies and healthy living. See you in the next video.